In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change nav menu to hamburger menu in Wix Studio. If you're designing a site and want a clean, modern look, especially on smaller screens, the hamburger menu is a simple way to tuck all your navigation links behind a compact icon. The best part is that this change is quick, and you only need a couple of clicks. Start by selecting your navigation. You can click directly on your site's navbar or on the menu element inside it. You'll know you've got the right item when you see the selection outline and a small floating toolbar appear nearby. If you see individual text boxes or unrelated sections highlighted, try clicking a little closer to the actual menu area until the menu itself is clearly selected. Taking a second to make sure the correct element is active will make the next step smooth. Once your menu is selected, look for the context menu that pops up right next to it. This is the on-canvas control panel that appears only when an element is active. Find the layout icon there. It usually looks like a small grid or arrangement symbol. This layout button tells Wix Studio that you want to change the way your menu is structured, not the styling or the content. Clicking this opens the layout options specific to your menu. From the layout options, choose Hamburger. As soon as you select it, Wix Studio converts your traditional horizontal or vertical menu into a hamburger icon. Your links will collapse into a tidy panel that opens when visitors click the icon. This helps maintain a polished header and prevents long menus from wrapping or crowding your design. You'll see the change immediately on the canvas, so you can get a feel for how it looks with your current header, logo, and background. And that's it. You've switched your nav menu to a hamburger menu. There's nothing else you need to configure for the change to take effect in the editor. This adjustment keeps your site easy to navigate while saving valuable space in your header, which is especially helpful on pages with a lot of content. If your site already uses a consistent design system, the hamburger icon will inherit those styles so everything stays cohesive. To recap in plain terms, select your navbar or menu, open the context menu's layout options, and choose hamburger. You're done. Enjoy the cleaner look and the improved usability that comes with a compact, modern navigation.